Do you know what is this electronic component? These small but powerful components are designed to store and release electrical energy in electronic circuits. What differentiates them from others is their ability to operate at high voltage levels. They are identified by the letter code C on the circuit boards. You can often see this type of capacitors in electronic circuits where high voltages exceeding 1000 volts are used. High-voltage ceramic capacitors are frequently used in power electronic circuits to help regulate and stabilize voltage levels. They can smooth out voltage fluctuations by ensuring the output voltage remains relatively constant, which is critical for the proper functioning of sensitive electronic components. Excellent at filtering out high-frequency noise and interference from power lines. They can be placed in parallel with voltage outputs to direct unwanted noise to ground and provide cleaner, more stable power to sensitive components. This type of capacitors have no polarity. The letter codes on it indicate the operating voltage and capacitance value. The value of this capacitor is 15 picofarads of 5000 volts. It can work up to a maximum voltage of 5000 volts. You can check this capacitor with a multimeter capable of measuring capacitance. In summary, high-voltage ceramic capacitors play a versatile role in electronic circuits, from energy storage and voltage regulation to filtering, signal combining, timing, and protection against voltage transients. If you found this video informative, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting technology content. If you have questions or would like more detailed information on certain topics, you can leave a comment below. Thanks for your interest.